Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
How are you, Nandini and Sachin?
We are good, sir.
Yes, sir. We are fine.
Fabulous.
Really proud of you. I mean, top of the world.
Yes, sir.
So let me first address. So this is the first time in 30 years that I'm conducting an interview.
Yes, we
In the
know, sir.
last 30 years, I never did any interview. So each exam, every attempt, we had around 40 people getting the ranks. And in the last 30 years, we had 34 people, 34 students who got AIR1. But I never conducted any interview. Now you will wonder at why I'm conducting this interview.
Yes.
Yeah.
Frankly, I am very jealous of you, Nandini. Jealous because you broke my record. My record in DirectX was 86 marks, highest in India till date. And you broke that record and you scored 88. But proud, but really proud of you. You don't know how a teacher feels when a student breaks his record. So, I mean, really proud of you, and hats off to you, your parents. I mean, getting a rank in CA final exam is difficult, and getting rank 1, rank 18, both of you in the same family is just astonishing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
So,
you.
Nandi, tell me, apart from your parents, your teachers, do you think the credit goes to someone else also?
Yes, like to my brother, who have always supported me during this CA journey, and not only the CA journey, the school time as well. Like during CA journey, most of the people get demotivated or demoralized at some point of time that things are not going good, we are not performing well, we may leave the CA, but like he was always there for motivating me. And since there are 8 subjects, in some subjects he is good, in some subjects I am good, so it's a perfect combination, I would say.
And Sachin, what about you?
Sir, I will say that the whole success credit goes to her actually. She has always acted as a motivation for me. If I will tell you that I was not so very studious since school time. Means I used to score 60, 70 marks in 6th or 7th standard. But after seeing her, I got motivated and I started studying subjects.
Who is younger, you or Nandi?
Me, sorry, she.
I am younger.
Yeah, she is younger.
Okay. So, what are your plans now?
Sorry,
What are
pardon,
you,
please.
what are your plans now for future? I mean, do you want to go for a job, Big Four, multinational, or abroad, or practice?
Sir, at this point of time, we are getting several opportunities, and also we are open to learn something new as well. But we are evaluating the options, whatever we are having. But we can tell you that at that point of time, we are not thinking of practice. It is
That's good.
probably,
That's good. That's good.
yeah, it's probably a job in corporates,
MNC and all.
MNC and all.
And no thinking of going abroad?
Not now.
Okay.
But we would like to have your suggestions on the same.
Yes.
See, अपना वतन तो अपने वतन होता है ना. But
Definitely.
if any Indian goes out and he is really good academically as well as logically, the kind of opportunities you have abroad are fabulous. I mean, I just returned from London, and the big force in London, the maximum people at the high post are Indians because they are very hardworking, logical, and they crack the issues. And can you beat the kind of starting pay you have in UK in the 4 MNCs is Indian rupee 60 lakh per annum
Great.
Okay.
as a starting. So, I mean, you must evaluate these offers also because after 6 months, a new AIR1 will come,
Yes.
and so it's the best time to strike now. go for the big four, go for the multinationals. You must be getting the offers also, and apply in the big fours out of India also. And I'll suggest you go for, because Singapore, the entry is difficult because of COVID. Entry restrictions are there. So you can try for London and US.
Okay.
Yeah. तो मैं आज स्टडी के बारे में ज्यादा बात नहीं करूंगा आपसे, और इफ आई टेल यू, मैं बड़ा स्टूडियस लगता हूँ, इनफैक्ट था भी, बट सीए के लिए मैंने सिर्फ लास्ट 6 months में तैयारी की थी when I was in the CA final. So I studied only for 6 months and I got rank 2. What about you people? How many months you studied for the CA final?
So we started our classes from the beginning of articleship only, but if I talk about exam leaves, it started from almost mid of November 20. And previously exams were going to happen in May 21, but due to COVID, it got extended to July
Okay.
21.
Okay. So effectively you studied for 9-10 months.
Can say actually.
Yeah.
Can say.
So I think that's a reasonable period. I mean, studying for all 3 years is not really, I mean, that much rewarding. This is what I feel. What is your feeling?
It's the same, but like we would like to say, we should keep maintaining the habit of reading. Like we can always take out 1 or 1.5 hour time on a daily basis during articleship.
Okay. Tell me which subjects you think that the students should not go for coaching, except direct taxes. Yeah. No,
Maybe-
frankly,
Yeah.
Economic law mainly.
economic laws.
Yeah.
Okay. And which subject you found were to be difficult and you were able to do with coaching?
We would say SFM, FR. For these subjects, I think coachings are must, and DT also.
And IDT?
IDT, I think if the exposure is good in the articleship, then I guess the separate lectures are not required.
And maybe fast track would be
Yeah.
sufficient.
Tell me one thing, people say that you stay away from social media, stay away from WhatsApp and all those things. Did you stay away?
Yeah.
Yes,
This
we
is
did.
true.
For how much time period?
Since December 20.
December 20.
Yeah.
Okay. So any advice you have for the students who are going to appear now, your juniors?
So I would like to say one line, begin from the beginning, right from articleship, have a plan how you are going to proceed for a CA finals, and make a list of subjects for which you are going to take classes and at what time you would be taking those classes, and keep the DT and IDT at the last because there are several amendments every year and like almost every 6 months. So you have to plan it that way and be consistent, maintain a proper balance between the articleship experience and your studies.
Right.
And in the last 6 months, be consistent, hardworking, disciplined,
And focused.
Yeah, rest to Sachin.
And be focused only.
तो आजकल आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो?
Sir, we are attending the felicitation ceremonies.
Yeah.
Okay. In fact, we'll be also calling you. In fact, for the last 2 years, we were not able to hold the felicitation ceremonies because of COVID. So this year we are planning a grand ceremony at a 5-star hotel in Delhi. So we'll be calling all the rank holders for the last 2 years who are not able to come because of COVID. In fact, we were not able to hold the ceremony. So most probably we'll be planning in December or first week of January. And my office will be getting in touch with all the rank holders of this attempt and the last 2 years attempt so that we make the air travel bookings, the hotel bookings, etc. and give you a date so that you can conveniently book your calendar.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, we are excited to be part of that
this event,
felicitation
yeah.
ceremony.
Great. So Sachin, what are your hobbies other than CA?
I love to watch movies and I love to watch series listening songs, walking and cycling, playing badminton, table tennis, all these.
And Navneet, you?
Dancing, sketching, listening to music, and of course watching movies, playing badminton.
Okay. So tell me, did you have any, I mean, discussions with your friends while we were studying कि किस तरह से करना है, मतलब you were discussing with your friends about the studies and all, या फिर अपने आप ही पढ़ते थे आप?
अपने आप ही पढ़ते सर, सेल्फ ही किया.
So it's like we were only the study partners of each other. We were not having any other study group. And also, I would like to convey one thing through your video as well. Don't follow anyone's strategy blindly. Make your own strategy based on the input of other rankers. So we have not followed anyone's strategy
Right.
particularly. We have followed the same strategy from like 10th or 12th. That this would be our pattern of study. These are the books we are going to refer. That would be a planner. So make your own strategy, I would say.
That's great. So any suggestions you have for the students who go for the fast track batches? I mean, they don't take the regular batches and go for the fast track batches in various subjects.
Sir, it depends on the knowledge that they have. If they,
If they don't have any knowledge.
sir, I think that it would not be a very good option. For the subjects like DT, FR, SFM, and IDT, and for the subjects like law, audit, you can have the fast track.
Yeah, that is something. But also, though, you got to mug up the things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, in fact, even I used to tell in my class that how I cracked my audit exam.
Yeah,
we have.
we
have
saw it.
Yeah, we saw it.
Yeah. So, what are your parents' expectations about you, from you? I mean, you want to live in the city where your parents are there, or will you like to move out?
So, like, if we think about job or going to corporates, then we have to move out because there are no such opportunities here in Morena, Madhya Pradesh. So, like for articleship, also we were in Gurgaon. So,
Okay.
yes, we have to.
From which firm did you do your articleship?
So mine was from PwC.
Great.
And mine from On Point Advisors, a mid-sized firm.
So, Nani, since you did from PwC and you are rank 1, I can say with 100% surety that you will get a job in PwC, London or USA. And the kind of career you'll be having there is something which you cannot imagine now, the career you'll have after 3 or 4 years.
Okay.
And Sachin, you also, you should apply for, Indian firms, the foreign firms, because I don't say that you don't apply for Indian firms, do apply for the Indian firms also. But in case you're getting offer of, let's say, 20 lakh, 25 lakhs from India, and let's say 4 times from abroad, go for abroad 4 times.
Okay.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the kind of experience you have there is out of the world.
Yes. Right.
Yeah. We are talking about direct taxes. I mean, if you listen to the lectures or cram it, what is more advisable?
To listen the lectures.
Understand the subject and stories also that you used to told in a class.
Because I think that is something very catchy and really help us to understand the underlying objective of a particular provision.
Yeah.
जो मैं कहता हूँ मैं पकाता हूँ आप लोगों को.
Like sir, your story about the Tata terrorist वाला case. सर वो एक केस है जो कि मेरे को हमेशा याद रहता है आपको.
And I think both of you must be able to crack the 100% MCQs.
Not really, sir. Actually, there was one case study which were from the old topic like dividend distribution tax 1150, and I think that topic was not covered in the lectures. So that question was problematic. Other were simple.
Dividend distribution tax I always cover.
Sir, 1150 I think in the May 2021 lectures.
It was actually not applicable from, I think, from the Finance Act 2020.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
I think that was something missed, and ICI asked question from there. So it
8
was
marks.
yeah, it was a whole question from survey, and they were asking several things. And I have talked to many friends, and they were all like, we don't know what was going, and none of the single answer were matching.
But still you managed 88.
Yeah.
So anyways, congratulations to both of you, to your parents, and what I said, I was jealous of you, it was in the right sense. I'm really proud of you, proud of both of you. I mean, getting 2 ranks in a house is, मतलब 2 सूरज एक साथ उग जाए ना, it is something right.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
So thanks for being there, and we'll meet soon at the ceremony. Bye-bye.
Yes, sir. Looking
you, sir.
forward to meet you.
Yeah.
And
Sure.
And thank you, sir, for having both of us.
yes.
Okay, Sachin. Okay, Nandini. Thank you. Bye-bye.
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 Bye, sir.
Bye.